My name is Julie Jaramillo, creating an in-class presentation where students talk about the types of music they add and how it has changed to now. The student also reviews its oldest favorite song and its new favorite song. My taste of music of vigor. When I was younger, I used to listen. Dancing music is spent I love of weekend dancing in the disco rooms like reggaeton and merengue. When I had to relax and listen to music, I especially listen to bachata bands to aventura, were my favorite in that time. My favorite song was El Perdedor, sung by Aventura. I listened that song in 20 on 6 and I felt I love with that band. My taste of music now I continue loving to dance in the disco, but I can dance another types of music like salsa, cumbia, and pop. One thing has changed is that I can spend much time dancing than at the disco. I also like the listen bachata, but my favorite type of music of listening is ballads. My favorite bass in Morat and my favorite song is A Donde Vamos, Sung My Day. Thank you very much.